Here's the question I want to explore. Is climate change the reason it was so hot? For answers, I'm looking at reports from the National Academy of Sciences and World Weather Attribution and talking to Dr. Arne Winguth, Chair of Earth and Environmental Sciences at the University of Texas at Arlington. According to the National Academy of Sciences, a gold standard in scientific research, some types of extreme weather events are happening more often or are becoming more intense because of global warming. Here's one way scientists know that. It's something called an attribution study. Scientists run one computer model that includes all the conditions at play during, say, a hurricane. Things like temperature, rainfall, wind, and how much man-made carbon dioxide is in the atmosphere, trapping in heat. Then they run a second model with all the same conditions, except they remove one variable, the heat-trapping carbon. When the model with carbon has a more extreme hurricane than the one without, that's how they know climate change made things worse. For 2021, a scientific group called World Weather Attribution ran a model on the floods that killed 222 people in Germany and Belgium. It concluded with high confidence that human-induced climate change has increased the likelihood and intensity of such an event to occur. And now back to Texas. What's the deal with the extremely warm December we had?
The events which we saw just in December are a combination of multiple effects.
Winguth says a combination of effects led to our very hot December. They include the strong influence of La Nina, a phenomenon which generally brings drier, warmer conditions to the southern U.S. for months at a time. Is climate change playing a role, generally speaking, in the amount of extreme that we see?
Correct. The likelihood is much higher under climate change to have such an event.
So it was gonna be hot, but Winguth says climate change made it hotter. How do we know that? Check out this bell curve. On the left are cold days, on the right are hot days. In the middle are average temperature days. Data from the EPA shows daily average temperatures are getting hotter and moving to the right. So we'll still get cold days and we'll still get hot days, but extremely hot days are more common because of climate change. So is climate change the reason it was so hot? The answer is no. It was going to be warm anyway. What climate change did was make it hotter. For Verify, I'm David Schechter.